Hey everyone, in this video we're going to have a look at how you can set up Tavily. Tavily is basically used to give your AI agent access to the internet, and so it can make web searches and provide responses based on that. So let's get started. So you can simply just search for Tavily, and the one you need to go to is tavily.com and just sign up. Like this, click on the sign up button and you can create an account. You can give your email address, or you can also continue with Google. So I'm going to do exactly that. So I'll just simply continue with Google. And once I'm signed in, that's all there is to it. This is the easier part. You can skip on this newsletter from Tavily, and you will see your API key being available on the very first page of your dashboard. So on the API keys, you see there's a default name and the API key is available there. So make sure you just simply click on that API key and store that API key somewhere secure like Tavily API key, and just paste it here so that you are prepared for the session.